If you're a web designer, you absolutely need to have a portfolio website for yourself. And it's even better indeed if you can truly build this entire website with WordPress. I have meticulously prepared a comprehensive Figma file, and working together over the course of 3 dedicated sessions, we are absolutely going to build this complete and functional website in WordPress. So it's best to watch this video all the way to the end and make sure to subscribe to my channel. We enter WordPress and create the main page of our website. First of all, you need to install the Elementor plugin. Then after creating the page, we click on Edit with Elementor. Since our design will be based on the UI layout we created in Figma, we need to enter Figma and analyze the design. As you can see, the first section of our website consists of 2 columns. In the left column, we have some content that is arranged in the center of the column. Let's go and create it in WordPress. We enter our page and create a full-width 2-column flexbox. To ensure that the height of our section matches the height of our monitor, we need to set it to 100 hiatus. Now let's style the section. We adjust the background color of the section. Our right column doesn't have anything special, and we only need to change its background. I have previously uploaded the image to the host, and I will select the image from the media library. Set image display to the cover. To remove the inner spacing from the sides, we need to set the padding to 0. Now let's move on to the left column. We need to add our texts in a column format. You can write any text you like. To center our text within the container, we need to set the Justify Content property to center. We will add the texts and apply our desired font to them. I use the Lustra font. In the upcoming videos, I will also teach you how to add fonts to Elementor. After adding the texts, we will adjust the font sizes to match the UI design. Here we have a container that holds two texts arranged in a row. We need to set the container's padding to 0 so that it aligns with the texts above. We will set the justify content property to space between so that the texts stick to the sides. After adjusting the texts, we'll use the divider element for the line beneath the container. Once we configure the divider, I will place a text below it that will scroll the page to the portfolio section when clicked. In the next video, I will design the portfolio section for you. The first section of our website is ready. Thank you for sticking with me through this video. I plan to design trendy UIs for you using Elementor and other tools on this channel. So if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.